name is Matt. I'm the co-host, and my co-host is Scott. Scott, take it away.
Thank you, Matt. All right, we're going to go ahead and jump into Shop Boss here. Now, this is the main work in process page. This is where you're going to see all of your open repair orders, the status of all of them, RO type, customer information, all of that. We're going to go ahead and jump into one of these repair orders and show you the way it looks. So from here, you have your customer information, vehicle. Up at the top right, you have the status. Now, how you use that is totally up to you. But if you mark the status as anything before final, it's going to say estimate when you print it. When you change it to final, it's going to say invoice. You also have an RO type. Now, these are very customizable. You can do whatever you want with them, color code them, things like that. But if you mark it as no approval, it's going to take this repair order and say that the customer doesn't want the work done. So it's going to delete the repair order if you select no approval. Now down here we have our vehicle issues. These are the customer concerns that they came in with. Next to each one you have another status. Now again, how you use this is up to you, but if you mark it as declined, what it's going to do is take all those parts and labor under that issue and move them over to recommended repairs. Now we also have an integration with Motor for their repair guide. I'm going to go ahead and show you how that looks. Now, if you have the VIN number entered into the repair order, it will automatically go to the vehicle that you're selecting. From there, you can use a search, and we'll search, say, brake. And it's going to pull up everything that it has relating to brakes. If what you're looking for you're not finding here, use the menu on the left to go more specific. Couple other things up here is your print/email. From here you can pull up a print preview. It's going to show you what the repair order is going to look like, your disclosures, all of that. You can do an e-signature from here as well, and you can email it to your customers. We also do inspections, so full digital vehicle inspections. You can see and note the condition of all of these, put in notes, also upload pictures and video to the repair order. You can also send this to your customer. We also have a send update function. What that does is it sends everything all at once. So it sends any uploaded pictures, inspection sheets, and the invoice. It sends it all in one shot. We also have parts ordering. So that's set up for Epicor, Nextpart, and Worldpac. What that is basically an integration through Nextpart to your part supplier so that you can transfer all the information from them straight over to the repair order page. All right, now we're going to go back to the main page. A couple things to know. We have a schedule and a dispatch. The schedule is completely manual. You can put in anything for any time frame that you need to. Whereas the dispatch, that is strictly labor items in open repair orders that you're dragging and dropping to a time and location. We also have a follow-up setup. So from here, you can create campaigns that will automatically email follow-up emails to your customer. You can turn them on or off. You can even delete them, create new ones, all kinds of things like that. We have an inventory management system. From here, you can track everything that you've got in inventory, how many you have on hand. You can also search your non-inventory. So any part that you've entered into the program at some point saves in your parts registry or your non-inventory. It's a very helpful tool. We have an accounting portion of the program. It's pretty straightforward, very simple. One thing to know though, it does not do payroll. We're also integrated with QuickBooks, so if you need to do that, that's done here. We also have a reports page. Now these are all the generic reports that come with the program. So anything that this will cover about 95% of what you would need to know about your shop. If you do need, we can create custom reports for you, and those populate down here. So just let us know if you need something a little more unique, a little more tailored to you specifically, we can make those for you. Now, as you're getting started, we always recommend going through settings. Settings is very important to set the program to do what you need it to do. Your tax rates, your location, your printing preferences, your disclosures, all kinds of things like that to set it the way you need it to be. This is also where you would set up your integrations with Carfax, Nextpart, CardKnox, WorldPack, all of these integrations of other companies and programs that we set up with. You can also create canned jobs. What those are is a group of jobs, so it's a group of parts and labor that you shoot into a repair order all in one. Very helpful tool. We also have a support section. With the support, you can create a chat with one of our support technicians, create a support ticket. There's more videos. Here's our phone number, also our email. So lots of ways to get in contact with us if you need any help along the way. We also have our videos page. Now this is a quick start video. It's going to give you a general run through, pretty much just like what I just gave you. Then we have our more specific videos, especially the VIN scanner. We always recommend taking a look at that video. Setting up and using the VIN scanner can be very difficult to get in the flow of, but with this video, it kind of shows you step by step where to go. So it becomes much easier that way. And again, like I said, if you need any help along the way, please contact us and we'll help get you going.